Ready to launch your own crypto coin into the stratosphere? Let's break down how to create your own cryptocurrency using the Binance Smart Chain. First things first, you need to understand the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, will be building a BEP20 token, which is the standard for tokens on BSC. Think of it as the blueprint for your coin. Next, it's time to dive into smart contract development. This involves writing code, typically using Solidity, that defines the rules of your token. This code governs the token's name, symbol, total supply and functionality. Now comes the deployment phase. This is where you send your smart contract to the Binance Smart Chain network. Once deployed, your token officially exists on the blockchain. But before you get too excited, let's talk tokenomics. It is the economic model of your token. Things like distribution strategy and supply management need to be well-defined. Well-defined tokenomics are important for long-term sustainability. Security is absolutely critical. Getting your smart contract audited by a reputable firm is essential to prevent vulnerabilities and protect your investors. This will also protect you from exploits. Finally, remember that community is key. Building a strong and engaged community around your project is vital for its long-term success. Engage with your community, be transparent, and be active.